Elective Paper 2 Technology Mediated English. Topic www FAQs. What does FAQs mean? A frequently asked questions forum is often used in articles, websites, email lists, and online forums where common questions tend to recur, for example through posts or queries by new users related to common knowledge gaps. Full form of FAQ is frequently asked questions. Tips for writing a good FAQ page. 1. Use FAQ or frequently asked questions as a page title. Second, write questions from the point of view of your customer. Third point, write the FAQ sheet in an actual question and answer format. Fourth one, keep answers short. Fifth one, fully answer the question. Don't just link to a different page. Do you need a FAQ page? A well-written and organized FAQ page is the first point of reference for customers to explore. It will help them to find answers to questions that they would. What is the purpose of a FAQ? The purpose of an FAQ is generally to provide information on frequent questions or concerns. However, the format is a useful means of organizing information, and text consisting of questions and their answers may thus be called an FAQ regardless of whether the questions are actually frequently asked. Tips for writing a good FAQ page. First one, use FAQ or frequently asked questions as the page title. Second one, write questions from the point of view of your customer. Third one, write the FAQ sheet in an actual question and answer format. Keep answers short. Fifth one, fully answer the question. Don't just link to a different page. How to make a good FAQ page in internet. There are 6 steps to be followed to make a good FAQ page in internet. They are as follows. First one, write clear and concise pages. Second one, regularly update each page. Third one, include a search bar. Fourth one, organize questions by category. Fifth one, link top questions. Sixth one, stick to the basics.